it's your girl Fanika, and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another video. So yeah, guys, today I'm going to be doing a small bathsuit, SHEIN bathsuit haul, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I am also going to be putting the link down below where you can find these bathing suits on SHEIN, guys, for low prices. Bath suit as low as $10, guys. And when I say they're in good quality, well, them look nice for me, so I'm gonna say they're good quality bathing suits, guys, for the summer where you can go out, you know. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Let's get the channel to 20,000 subscribers. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. And also, guys, please comment which one of the bathing suits are your favorite. So yeah, guys, this is bath suit number 1, and this one is called beach marble print. So yeah, guys, if you are interested, and I think I paid $11 for this bathing suit on SHEIN. So yeah, guys, this is bathing suit number 1. So yeah, guys, this is the bathing suit number 2. It's a zebra print with a small bathing path, a little slit right here for those are the women who are not afraid to show a little body. So yeah, guys, this is all the back is. So let's see the back still, guys. Yeah, that's all the back is. So stay tuned. This is number 2. It's zebra print, guys. Remember to comment down below. I am wearing size XL. So yeah, guys, so it fits small, guys, and it could have still little small, like I say. Guys, don't see me I sweat just to try and bath. This is bathing suit number 3, and I'm going to call this one shell top, guys. As you can see, it has its own breast support, so this is for the women who need that support like myself. So yeah, guys, and it's also very stylish, showing that body that God has given you. Yes, and I'm gonna show you guys the back. So the back is regular brassiere back with the selfie. We come up so, and one come up so. So yeah, guys, that is the style, and it's a full bottom, guys. Can't show you the bottom, but it's also a full bottom. So yeah, guys, that is number 3. And also all of the bathsuit, guys, this is my least favorite. I don't know why, but let me go part. I don't like it, but you know, it hold your belly if you need that hole. So yeah, guys, that is bathing suit number 3, and it's called, I'm going to put the link down below, guys, because I don't remember what this one is called, but I am calling it Blue Beach Shelter. Okay, guys, because it has this nice styling here, showing. The only thing I don't like about the bathing suits that I got from SHEIN, guys, majority of them don't have